we'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Blackmagic Design website and download the latest version of DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you choose the free version, which offers a comprehensive set of editing tools without any cost. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, open DaVinci Resolve and you'll be greeted with the Project Manager. Click on New Project, give your project a name and hit Create. You'll now be in the main interface, which is divided into 7 tabs: Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver. To start, go to the Media tab to import your footage. You can do this by dragging and dropping files into the media pool, or by using the Import button. Once your media is loaded, switch to the Cut or Edit page where you can begin assembling your video. Use the Cut page for quick edits, or the Edit page for more detailed work. Here, you can trim clips, add transitions, and adjust the timeline. For advanced effects, go to the Fusion tab, where you can create visual effects and motion graphics. When you're ready to color grade, move to the Color tab. This is where DaVinci Resolve shines, offering powerful color correction tools. Adjust the color wheels, curves, and nodes to achieve the look you desire. Once your edit is complete, head over to the Deliver tab to export your project. Choose your preferred format and settings, then click Add to Render Queue, and finally Start Render to export your video. Remember, the free version of DaVinci Resolve includes almost all the features you need to produce professional quality videos, so explore and experiment with what it offers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.